everyone, welcome to our channel. Our motive is to eat healthy and eat healthy. Today we have tried to make a natural and healthy soup at our home for our mixed snacks and would like to share with everybody. Please do watch our entire video and give likes and subscribe our channel. And here we go with the video. For boiling. I'm going to give 4 whistles and off the flame. You can see my drumsticks has been boiled. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this layer off. I'm going to segregate the skin and this layer. I will just segregate and just have a one blend to this pulpy thing. Okay. I will take even the seeds also. Okay. And I'll take 4-5 peppers and salt and I'll just blend it in a grinder or a blender. But just a one blend. Okay. And add a buttermilk in it now. You can see I have segregated the pulpy and the drumstick skin right now. Okay. I will be just giving. I have added the pepper and I have salt. If anyone has a more gastric problem, they can add jeera to it. Okay. And if they want, they can just for a taste. They can add even the LG powder. What we say. You can see this, the LG azotosia. You can add this, a pinch you have to add, okay? Just give a blend of this and add a buttermilk after that, okay?